Hi everybody, a warm welcome back again. This is Anthony from Anthem of the Seas. Your anticipation and eagerness motivates me to upload more videos on this epic journey of repatriation of Indian crew members from Anthem of the Sea. Well, it carried more than 3,000 Indian crew members from 20 different ships from the fleet, plus 2 of their private islands. Well, I'm thrilled to say Anthem of the Sea is now docked in Mumbai, India, our homeland. After completing all the formalities towards concerned authorities, Anthem of the Seas is about to disembark the crew members. Royal Caribbean always says friendly, passionate and committed. I'm very much happy, and I think so all the crew members were treated like a guest on board Anthem of the Seas. Once in a lifetime experience. We will take this experience back home. I just wanted to say this is gonna be my last video on Anthem of the Sea. A big salute to Anthem of the Seas. Well, thank you so much to all the crew members. Be happy, safe journey back home, and keep healthy. And a last note, Royal Caribbean always says, keep smiling. Well, I can say Anthem of the Seas have brought a big smile on our faces. Touchdown Mumbai. Well, here we go.